Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about a STRK USDT trading pair with my customer set updates. Let's dive in. Guys, on this video, I want to show you the example what to do if some token invalidate the initiation accumulation pump model. So, based by rules of initiation accumulation pump model, what I shared with you, it's totally free strategy, with a pretty good win rate. But every single strategy got an invalidation. Invalidation if the token dump and sweep the listing price. So dump on the listing price. It means the model is invalidated. What to do if the model is invalidated? For example, it's BBL, Venom, DChat, I guess. The IEVO also invalidated the idea. So what to do? You have to understand all targets basically relevant, but here's a visualization of gains. So you have to understand if, for example, let me show you, where is that FIB? And the FIB here. So you remember the condition. So this is a zone where we need to fix some profit. This is the first zone of interest, first zone to buy 1, 2, 3, 4 limit orders. You can choose which one is comfortable for you. Someone is comfortable at $1. Someone is comfortable at 88 or at 58 or at 44. 45. I'm in losses now with STRK because I didn't expect so the STRK will drop and invalidate the idea, So I hop in around here, around 45 cents. So at the last line, I thought it was the last stage. So here we traded under, bounce it, come back, and here I'm waiting. So we hold the line, but we dump it lower. So it's okay. Sometimes we can make a mistake. It's okay, guys. There's no 100% win rate traders or investors. So that's it, guys. I'm ready to see the even lower price because I understand everything can happen in the market. Absolutely. So I invest that money, what I can invest, and I don't need that money for a living, right? And I can wait. And at the end, this investment in the STRK asset can be right or wrong. It can be profitable or I will cut my losses. So that's it, guys. I can't know the future. That's why I made a decision and I made a deal with myself. So take a look. We dump it and sweep the listing price. So the lowest point was 1772. What does it mean? The targets were to fix profit relevant, but take a look. We now limited by gains in percentage because, for example, this zone where we need to fix the profit still relevant, but from the first zone of interest in this area, if the STRK could stop it here, we should fix 177% profit with potential gains like to new all-time high, let's say over than $7.70. Right? So 177, we should fix the profit and new all-time high from 87 cents. It could be like 776%. Got it. If we drop to my zone of interest, so the last level where I purchased the STRK, so the zone where I should fix my profit, it's the same zone, 441%. Got it. Then you have to go and count by capitalization and gains. So here, the new all-time high, if I wait, the new all-time high from my entry after fixation of some profit, it can be the 50%, it can be the withdrawing initial deposit. I can wait, in theory, 1,600% gains. Got it. And take a look, the gains, right? So 400 looks not a big deal, right? But here, we dump, and if, for example, 17 cents, yes, 72, it's the lowest point on the daily. From that point, the zone of fixation now will be for that guys who not buying here, and catch exact bottom. They will be in profit 1,272% again. That's a big difference, guys. So if your entry around here, you still have to fix some profit at this block. It's like safety trade, right? Or at least after 100% profit, withdraw initial deposit. Or if, for example, you scare enough and you invested like me here at 45, if we recover back to 45, you can make a decision out at break even and leave this asset and invest in another one or wait the zone of fixation profit. Because if you think 400% is not enough and I need more, you have to keep in mind that guys will be 1,200% gains in profit at the same levels, approximately. Also, guys, If, for example, you buy in here and wait some crazy gains, right? So people wait all the time the 100x, the 10x, the 5000x, you know, all of that stuff from the altcoins. But based on my experience, in average, some tokens based on market capitalization by you know, by seasonality, by cycles, not all altcoins, but many alts, if it's not like pump and dump Sam, they pump it like 2000 during the bull run and altcoin season, 2000, 3000, 5000, 10,000. Some of altcoins can pump like mantra 36,000 on centralized exchanges. Yes, it's possible, but not all tokens will pump like this one. And also pay attention for the capitalization and the vesting schedule of the STRK. Got it. It means if we have to hit new all-time high, take a look. For that, guys, that entry, only this block will be $2.45, will be the zone of fixation, 1,272%. If you bought it here, for you to fix the same gains, the STRK should pump to $11.53. That's why, guys, it's not make sense to wait, you know, $11, for example, because you want to fix 1,200% gains. That, guys, who bought it just a few days ago, they will be in profit at $2.44, and you should wait like $11.53. It means that guys who bought it a few days ago at $11.55, they will be in profit 6,400. So guys, it's always the perspective of entry, and we have to build the realistic gains. So we have to understand if the venture funds, for example, bought it back here, they will not wait the 6,000% gains or 10,000% gains, because for them it's not make sense, and they will fix the profit earlier. That's why, unfortunately, yes, if we made a mistake and bought some asset too early, yes, we have to understand, yes, it's a mistake, and we can out earlier. So at least my conservative price target is, guys, still the same. So it can be the 50% of this week. So it's around $5. It's more than realistic price target. Zone of fixation, $2.25, $2.44, $5 around number, and the new all-time high. So you can divide your, you know, deposit and your allocation like 3 orders. For example, you fix here 30%, fix here like I don't know, 50%, you know, and leave for 20% for crazy new all-time high if it's happened, or wait some one target. So just up to you guys. Now let's hide the gains and take a look what whales do now with the STRK. For me, all of that story, you know, with brand new leasing, layer 2, layer 1, and all of that solution, it just looks like money laundry, you know, pump and dump scam. ADZ, direction market mode. Of course, I'm waiting the BTC dominance on the 50%, so we will see some altcoin season, but not all altcoins will pump, and not all altcoins will pump like everybody waiting for. So this is an accumulation. So somebody, also I track it, so somebody accumulated here at 31 cents. It was a comfortable price in this range, like 43, 31. I saw the whales accumulate. Now we're in the capitulation zone. But even if they're accumulated here, they don't care about the timing, guys. They don't care about the timing, and they build the average entry. So here's the accumulation, here's the accumulation. So the average entry there could be like 30 cents. At 60 cents, most likely, when we sweep this high, they will withdraw initial deposit, definitely. So this is not a like global zone where to out of the based on direction indicator from STRK. So I think, yes, we will see the higher prices, but I'm more about a conservative price target. This is a final capitulation zone. So depression, nobody care about STRK, everybody in fear. We're going down, we're going to hell, so everything is scam, you know, this type of sentiment. Trade on, buy, bounce, buy, bounce. Yes, it was a good bounce, but I didn't hop in here, I hop in here. So that's it, guys. So around here, they made a 136%, and you can see how they withdraw usually the initial deposit. And the last indicator is take profit. Take profit, guys. Weekly, no data. Take a look at the daily. We trade under from a value. So here, one bounce, 136%. Now we sweep the liquidity pool. Can we drop lower? Yes, of course we can, guys. So you can open the chart of IAVO and see something like this one. We can drop even to 5 cents. There's open space. So it was the last stage, last liquidity pool and like support. Everything what is under listing price like 20 cents, it was just open space. We can't know where the market makers will stop that talking from the dump. So technically we try and test below the fundamental value of this stock. And next step is buy line. Next step is take profit, 65 cents. So around here, most likely they accumulated here, here. The average entry, like I mean, it means like big players. It's at this area they will withdraw initial deposit, and if it was the last dump, just in theory, right, and we will not see something like this one, like IAVO. Yes, the next step is going to be here, then drop and going higher. So start to build a new structure, and when we hit this high, is going to be like confirmation of the uptrend, local uptrend. But guys, be careful with some expectation about a crazy gains. Also, in many cases, we always come back and close 50% of this order flow or even this area. So keep in mind, guys, this block will be like okay zone of fixation profit. Also, I don't think so. It's a good idea to use DCA now because because we can't know what will happen next. And if you already in position, just better hold the token and wait, break even, or wait the time where you can buy some new assets, and with the new assets, with a fresh position, you could make more gains. Then you will just use your funds for DCA some assets which you in losses. So guys, I hope you like this video. Wrap us in comment what do you think about a STRK. If you want to trade with my customer what I showed in this video, just write me a DM, subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget your channel. See you next time, guys.